Hello guys, welcome to the next video on Linux command line tutorial for beginners. In the last video, we have seen how to create users in Linux using command line. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove users using command line terminal. So first of all, let's see whatever users we have. So I'm going to just give ls and then / home. And you can see here we have three users. One is Mark, one is my username, and other is Tom. So in order to remove a user, what we do is we use a command called userdel. Okay, so this is the command to delete users. And then whatever name you will give, for example, I want to remove this user called Mark. So I will just use the user name Mark, right? And then you need to use root permission. So you use sudo before this command. So just write sudo userdel command and then the username you want to delete, right? And I'm going to press enter here and I'm going to give my password and press enter. And once again, I will see if the user is deleted or not. So I will just ls and / home. Now you will observe, even if you have given this command userdel, which is used to delete the user, the home directory for this user is not deleted, right? So what this command is doing is it's going to delete the username, the password, and other data for the user, but it's not going to delete the home directory for the user. And it's also important sometimes because, for example, employee resigns from a company who have a account on a Linux operating system, for example, of that company, and then he resigns. And for example, administrator wants to delete his username but wants to keep his data, whatever work he has done, right? So this command is used to delete the user. So the user is deleted, but the data home directory is still here, right? So this command is used to delete the user, but the home directory will not be deleted. But it's also really easy to remove the home directory as well as the user. And for this, you just need to use sudo and then the command userdel and also the name of the user. So for example, this time we want to remove the user called Tom. So I'm going to just write the name Tom, and you need to use the flag -r with this in order to remove the home directory also, right? So this home directory will also be deleted if you use this -r flag with this command. And I'm going to press enter. And you can see it shows that Tom mail spool not found. So we haven't even created any mail spool for this user. So this warning is okay. It's not important in our case, right? And let's go to the home directory once again and let's see what's there. And you can see home directory is also deleted and the username and all the data for the user Tom is deleted. So if you want to delete the user and also the home directory of the user, then use -r flag with userdel command. Otherwise use userdel with the username, right? Now, for example, if we want to remove this home directory for the user, how we can do it? So it's also really simple, but be careful with this command. So just write sudo rm. So remember, we have learned remove command or rm command, right? So we will use this command. So rm -r and then / home and / the username, right? But I once again tell you that you need to be careful with this command because it's going to remove all the data of this user, or otherwise if you type wrong, then it can remove the data from the other user also. So be careful with this command, right? And press enter. And once again, we will list all the users, and now this is also removed, right? So in this way, you can remove user using Linux command line terminal. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.